let me finally get all these remaining sweet corns left in my, oh, that's tiny, in my garden. Just very few left, so I'll get them out and cook it today. I don't want to get this stalk down because I use them to wedge the tomatoes. So I'll still leave this stalk. Just grab the corn and we'll see. That one is better. Because if you leave them here, some insects, I don't know what insect is it, they'll start having larvae in them and develop some larvae and butterfly or whatever. I don't know what they are actually, so I can't say. So I'll get the rest out. The rest of the good ones anyway. So while grabbing them, I still have lots and lots of orange tomatoes. Look, getting ready to ripe. And over here, and lots of them. So let's say by tomorrow, that one there. By tomorrow or next. Look, where are you? Over there. Yeah, under the cone. Look there. By tomorrow or next, they'll be ready to come down. Lots of them. Yep. So after getting the cones, look, I got loads. Happy me and happy lunch. Oh.